Hi, Christy. This is Charles Marine from your local SEO professionals. Um, Thanks for connecting with me on Facebook. I just had some extra time today and I thought I'd just help a few businesses out and show them how to rank better with their websites. Um, this is me over here. Now, I figured from your post to me that your website is howardhanna.com, which is a real estate website. And I have a tool called Ahrefs, which analyzes websites, and I can tell that howardhanna.com is a very strong website. It's got hundreds of thousands of backlinks. It ranks for hundreds of thousands of organic keywords, and it seems like you guys are already doing really well. Now, I'm not sure exactly how your site is organized, meaning wherever you are. I don't know if you have a sub site or not, but I can see like it's a very well done website. Um, I can see your different locations are all over. They're all over. So I know it's a national website and it ranks a lot. Um, all I wanted to do is explain about, the three tips which I'm giving most businesses are how to rank on Google for local searches. So, for example, if someone's looking for a home in Harrisburg, PA, they type in something like type in something like real estate agent Harrisburg, PA. This would be a keyword, and then we'd find all the various realtors or whatnot who rank first for this keyword. Um, which I don't see as if you're here. Oh yeah, here you are. You're already on the front page. That's what I meant. Like you're doing pretty well if you're ranking along with Coldwell Banker Homes, Remax. You're doing pretty well. But the three things I usually talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. Hopefully this can help you rank a little bit better. But anyway, let me get started. Content has to do with your main page, with your pages, your main website. Everything I've highlighted, all the pictures, all the text, that is content. Google optimizes for about 1,000 to 1,500 words of text explaining who you are, what you do, authoritative text. That also has these keywords, these buyer intent keywords that people search for. For example, search I just showed you, real estate agent Harrisburg, PA. The typical person who'd be searching for this keyword, and Google usually has other suggestions, like new house for sale Harrisburg, PA. The people who'd be searching for this are intending to buy a house in this location. So what I do is that I help businesses rank for their local location. So aside from the amount of content, even the pictures, how they're saved, matters. Everything on the page, even the text behind the pictures. For example, I'm trying to grab a picture. Okay, maybe I can't really save a picture on your website. Okay. All right. Anyway, what I meant is if it's saved with a keyword that ranks for that local area, that helps Google recognize that you're an authority in that area. The second thing I want to talk about is citations. Now, usually, if you search for something on Google, a keyword for Google, you'll see Google ads first. These are always hit or miss because a lot of people have ad blockers these days. Even this is a Google ad. This section here is called a map pack. And the way to rank in this map pack is to have your name, address, and phone number cited in different directories across the internet. The more authoritative directories, the better. That's what's known as citations. A citation is where your name, address, and phone number is cited in different directories across the internet. The better authoritative the directory and the more of them that you have, the higher you rank here. So it's just a matter of finding out where your competitors have their businesses listed, list them there as well, and then go further and list and go over, by 100 or 200 different directories online. Third thing I want to talk about is backlinks, which you guys are definitely dominating with backlinks. You have so many. But backlinks are just links on different websites that point to your website. And the way to rank higher over here is to have better authoritative and higher quantity backlinks. For example, these guys, realtor.com. I could go ahead and look at their backlinks using the same tool. I have Ahrefs. Not just the keywords, but I want to look for the site overview. Right here, actually, as it's loading, you can see this volume. Oops, okay. They have their backlinks are in the millions. So that's why they are definitely ranking higher than you. What I wanted to mention about the keyword. So if you look at this keyword, or homes for sale near me, about 477,000 people search for that every month. And your competitor, realtor.com, gets the first position, sorry. And this is the amount of traffic they get every month. So definitely, if you would increase your quality and number of backlinks, increase your citations, optimize your content, you'd rank better for this keyword and grab a lot of this traffic from them. Anyway, those are the 3 things I wanted to talk about: content, citations, and backlinks. Again, my name is Charles Marine. I'm with your local SEO professionals. Thank you very much. Thanks for your time. I hope this has helped and this has informed you. All the best.